Welcome dear students to Computer Studies Standard 11th English Medium. This video is prepared by a student Harshita Jain who is studying in Fatima Convent High School, Bhavnagar. She is a student like you, but she is contributing towards this YouTube channel with a selfless motive. So I expect you all to pay respect to her while watching the video. As you all know, this video is divided into two parts. In the first part of the video, the most important MCQs of this part video will be solved. And in the second part, which is optional part, online test will be taken. So let's begin.
Good morning everyone and welcome to Computer Studies Standard 11th. Chapter 1 Introduction to Multimedia MCQs from Part 2 video. First, there are basic dash multimedia elements and the options are A8, B3, C5 and the correct option is C5. Second, dash is used to communicate information to the user and the options are A. Text, B. Audio, C. Image and the correct option is A. Text. Third, including dash in multimedia is the basic step towards development of multimedia presentations and the options are A. Audio, B. Text, C. Video and the correct option is B. Text. Fourth, proper use of dash and words in multimedia will help to communicate the ideas and messages to the user and the options are A. Text, B. Audio, C. Image and the correct option is A. Text. Fifth, dash could be any type, a word, a single line or a paragraph and the options are A. Audio, B. Text, C. Video and the correct option is B. Text. Sixth, to give formatting effects, we need a dash such as a Microsoft Word or OpenOffice and the options are A. Word processing software, B. Text, C. Media elements and the correct option is A. Word processing software. Seventh, the textual data for the multimedia can be developed using any text editor such as dash and the options are A. Word, B. Notepad, C. Google Drive and the correct option is B. Notepad. Eighth, the dash can have different type, size, color used as per the requirements and the options are A. Text, B. Audio, C. Image and the correct option is A. Text. Ninth, a dash is a family of characters or letters which have different looks. For example, Arial, Times New Roman, Courier and others. And the options are A. Typeface font, B. Serif font, C. Sans serif font and the correct option is A. Typeface font. 10th, dash are bold, italics and underline and the options are A. Sound, B. Style, C. Multimedia and the correct option is B. Style. 11th, dash is the distance between the top of the letters to the bottom point. For example, 12 point, 20 point, etc. And the options are A. Font, B. Size, C. Style and the correct option is B. Size. 12th, further, dash is categorized into serif and sans serif and the options are A. Text, B. Font typeface, C. Image and the correct option is B. Font typeface. 13th, Dash is a little decoration at the end of the character, and the options are A. Sans serif, B. Serif, C. Sound, and the correct option is B. Serif. 14th. Times New Roman, Century, Bookman are examples of dash, and the options are A. Typeface font, B. Serif font, C. Sans serif font, and the correct option is B. Serif font. 15th. On computer screen, due to low resolution, dash are difficult to read, and the options are A. Sans serif, B. Serif, C. Sound, and the correct option is B. Serif. 16th. In French, dash means without, and the options are A. Typeface font, B. Serif font, C. Sans serif font, and the correct option is C. Sans serif font. 17th. Arial, Verdana, and Helvetica are examples of dash, and the options are A. Typeface font, B. Serif font, C. Sans serif font, and the correct option is C. Sans serif font. 18th. Dash in multimedia is different from the text used in traditional pen and paper method, and the options are A. Text, B. Audio, C. Image, and the correct option is A. Text. 19th. In dash, other elements with text are also used, and the options are A. Multimedia, B. Media elements, C. Computer, and the correct option is A. Multimedia. 20th. To make a presentation look attractive, we should add dash, and the options are A. Word art, B. Notepad, C. Google Drive, and the correct option is A. Word art. 21st. In OpenOffice Impress, word art is known as dash, and the options are A. Font work, B. Drawing, C. Paint, and the correct option is A. Font work. 22nd. The first step to make presentation in OpenOffice Impress is to open a dash, and the options are A. Blank slide, B. Colorful slide, C. Slideshow, and the correct option is A. Blank slide. Thank you.
Now I am gonna explain you how to answer the online test. All those who have answered the previous test, they know how to answer the test, so they do not need to say this explanation. Now see, in the description of the video, you will get a link here. You have to just click on this link, so the Google form will open, through which you will be able to give the test. It will be mentioned here. First thing is you have to enter your name. Now see, all the students who are studying in Fatima Convent High School, they have to mention their correct name and class, that is 11C or 11B. And the rest of the students who are giving the test, they can enter any fake name, no problem, they can give the test. Fine. After entering the name, this is a compulsory thing. Wherever you see asterisk, those parts are compulsory. Then you have to go on answering the test. Now I am just answering the test with marking wrong answers. Okay, purposely I am marking wrong answers. Just to finish up this explanation, I am marking in most of the places just A. So there are in all 20 questions. I am in 17th question. Fine. So after I answer all the 20 questions, I have to click on the submit button. Now if I have forgotten to answer any of the question, it will show me like this way, that this is a required question. So I have to put a tick mark on that, and thereafter I have to click the submit button. One more place I have forgotten. Fine. So as soon as I click on the submit button, it will give me this option. I have to click on view score. So it will show me my score that I am getting 8 out of 20, very less, right? I am getting 8 out of 20, and whichever question's answer is wrong, it will show it to me in red color. Now in this video I have not kept an option in which you will get the correct answer, that for example this answer is wrong, then the correct answer was notepad. No, I have not kept like that way. For that you will have to watch the video if any of the answers are wrong. Fine, like this way it is. So you can start answering the test. And another thing is, whatever marks you get in the test, it will not be public. Only you will be coming to know that how many marks you are getting. That is the main benefit of this test. And this test you can use at the exam time also to take your self-test. Here we complete this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and we meet in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.